This is the range of the Norse Rescue personal kit bags. Now they come in different shapes, sizes, colours, depending on what you need. So you can either buy the empty bags and then put the equipment in you need, or we do these bags fully kitted. So if you have a look on our website, you'll see there's some of these kits are fully kitted. If you do need stuff put into them, we can supply you with a package as well. And if you need larger numbers, we can again do that. So the ranges are different. Now the thing with these bags is they have quite a lot of features. So you have the standard ones you'd have, like the IFAK kits, which is quite a common bag here, which people have either in this colour or into a black colour. So we do both of those sizes. There's more personal kits, which are very small kits, and this one has the external tourniquet and just enough bits and pieces in there. Then you can have the kits in red, so if you need them, a red type bag, you can have that. And once you open them up, you'll see there's plenty of room inside and the straps to hold items in. So you can put your dressings, tourniquets, all the bits and pieces you need inside the bag nice and easily. And this one's also got a little pocket on the front. And then we have other kits like this, which is much smaller, again, designed to go on your waist, so it depends what you actually need. Then we have the larger IFAK type personal kit. The advantage of this one is the actual piece on the back stays on your belt or on you, and you literally just tear the whole front off with Velcro. So it doesn't mean you're delving into your pocket up here trying to get equipment out. Same one with this one, which is a very good quality kit. And what you can do with this is literally just pull out the top. Once you pull that out, all of your equipment is then there. So you've got everything in one line. So you can kit this up as you want, with trauma dressing, bits and pieces in there, gloves and all those sort of things. And also it's just secured in place. So this is a nice, easy way round of keeping all your equipment in one place, but easily be able to get it in an emergency. And then finally, this one is just another version. It's got the leg strap on there as well. So if you've got this and you want your pouch down on your thigh, that's an ideal bag. So this is the general range. So if you need more help, have a look at the website or get in touch with us.